Hey everybody, Big Tone, your favorite Guido. This is back in the kitchen, Big Tone. Tonight I'm just showing you a quick meal that you can bring with you to work or whatever. It's basically a meal in a wrap. So you got all your carbs, your protein, everything you need right in there. You can make 2 of these, and if you're working a normal day, you can eat one after 2 hours and a protein shake, and then another one 2 hours later or whatever. That takes care of, getting your nutrients every 2 to 3 hours, which is ideal. Okay, so what I start off with a whole wheat tortilla, which I already got some salsa down on here, just regular salsa, some sour cream, and then I put some pepper jack cheese. I chopped it up into little cubes and then put it on there. After that, I had my chicken, and what I did was I just sauteed. I got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I cut them into cubes. I put some garlic powder, black pepper, some adobo, and crushed red on there. Put a little bit of oil on them, and then sauteed them in the frying pan. And just cook them until they're white. You don't need to kill the chicken again; it's already dead. Okay, you want it juicy still. You don't want it dry. So just a quick, once through, get it till it's white in the middle, and it's good to go. All right. So for that, now 4 ounces is serving, but since I'm trying to load up here, I'm gonna get it just so that basically it's gonna be full. So it's probably gonna be about more like 6 ounces of chicken. Whatever. That's more what I need anyways. Okay. Then I take some barbecue sauce and throw the barbecue sauce on top of that. It's a little more than I like to get, but that's alright. And then on top of that, I take brown rice and I put that on there. Okay. Oops. Missed my tortilla. Alright. Blam. Right there is a big ass tortilla. Now that's going to fill you up. And like I said, it's got all your carbs, your protein. It's got some good fats in there. Good stuff. A little bit of veggies from the salsa. And then the brown rice and the whole wheat tortilla will be good carbs for you. So, and then what I do is I'll just wrap this up gingerly because it's kind of packed full. Okay. Get it wrapped. And take some tin foil. This will actually help form it. Blam. There you go. One good meal for a bodybuilder or whatever you're doing. If you're trying to bulk, this is perfect. Trying to cut, maybe not so much, but whatever. Still got good carbs in there. It's whole wheat and brown rice. I mean, can't beat it. If you're gonna go for carbs, you got to do that, right? But right here, and that probably weighs a good pound. But if you're trying to bulk, that's what you need. And you really need to be eating every 2 to 3 hours to stay anabolic and to ward off catabolism. So this one right here, like I said, make 2 of these up and then take a shake with you, and you got 3 meals for your day. And then that way, while you're at work, you're not lacking in the nutrients you need to be building muscle. So all day, you're keeping your body in a positive nitrogen synthesis mode. So there it is, Big Tone, the Guido right here. Now, I make enough to make like 6 of these. That way I got like 2 days worth. Boom. That with my overnight oats and everything. I really don't spend that much time on meal prep. And you can get some really good nutrition and get all the calories, protein, carbs you need in almost no time at all. No prep work. So, bodybuilding on a budget, I mean, it's cheap. Do it up. That whole thing cost me for about 6 of those wraps, $20 or so. So do the math. It's not too expensive, you know what I mean? Anybody can really afford that. It's like, what, $3 a meal for like a pound? You're not going to get that anywhere at a restaurant. And it's going to be better because you made it yourself. So, this is cooking in the kitchen with Big Tone, your favorite Guido. And you guys have a nice night. Mwah.